So here's exactly how you can buy gems in Brawl Stars using Paysafecard. It's actually very easy and simple to do. The very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open up our Brawl Stars accounts. Alright? And then now once you are logged into the Brawl Stars account, you want to head on over and click on Shop on the top left hand corner. Now as you can see, once you're inside the shop, you want to scroll all the way and then basically click on the desired section where you can buy gems. But if you scroll a little bit more, here's a gem packed section. And let's say you want to buy some gems, 549 for 30 gems. I'm going to use that as an example, so you go ahead and click on that. And now in this situation, it'll pop up the gems and then the payment method. Now what you want to do is click on Add Debit or Credit Card. In the case that your Paysafe card may actually work as a credit debit card. And then that way you can enter in the details by clicking on that. And then after that you should be able to purchase the gems. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.